How will the country I come to? Jump well, so better you get a gun to, but me not do it. I beg you, please don't let me go. Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today, I'm gonna mash up some Caesar rice. You understand now, dude? Yeah? Some bad Caesar rice too. You understand now, dude? I'm gonna cut up some chicken. I'm gonna swag on in the kitchen, guys. Guys, be a badness in the kitchen today. Cook some Caesar rice and make some coleslaw, guys. Be a badness. Watch out, go on. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. So, my chicken, I go season him up. I'm gonna swag on. You understand now, dude? Yeah, some bad Caesar rice, guys. Guys, that one I go bad, me not like it, tell you. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna dash some season on it now. Put some brown in. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Some Maggi chicken season. Some Maggi all purpose. And some coconut oil. May I done. Yeah, guys, when you do a thing like this now, yeah, guys, so I'm going to make the marinate a little and go and cut up some brown season, cut up some carrot and Irish pumpkin. We don't know badness, guys. So, guys, I'm going to go and marinate and go and cut up some season. You understand, my dude? So, guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah, guys, so look what I go on over here. So, my pumpkin, carrot, and Irish. I go peel them up and I can sew go on. Guys, I be a badness in the kitchen. You understand now, dude? When you watch it, and sew go on in the kitchen. I be a badness, guys. Yeah, guys, so my pumpkin, carrot, and my Irish, I go cut up here now. You understand me, dude? Guys, the Caesar rice is a lot bad. I'm not lie if I tell you. You can cook your Caesar rice different ways, guys. All different ways. You understand now, dude? So watch when I go use in my Caesar rice today, guys. When you watch when I use in my Caesar rice, guys, just watch the video. You understand me, dude? Yeah. So I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut up my carrot and pumpkin and my Irish. Guys, I be a badness. Watch what I go on. Just drink up people. So I go on over here, so carrot, Irish, and the pumpkin. You understand now, dude? So what I'm do now, I go cut up some ground season, guys. Guys, I be a badness. Watch what I go on in the kitchen. Guys, that one here, I go bad. Remember me tell you. Yeah, guys, so cut up some season, some ground season. So I'm going to do now, I'm going to light up my stove, guys. I'm going to sew up on brown my chicken. I'm going to sew up on in the kitchen, guys. Guys, soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to light up my stove now. You understand now, guys, I'll be about. Yeah, guys, so chicken in the pot. So I'm going to make him go brown. Guys, make your chicken go brown. I still have one in the kitchen. You understand how I be about this, guys. Stay tuned. Soon come back, guys. Be about this. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to do now. I'm going to blend up that coconut. Yeah, I'm going to blend him up. I'm going to sew swag on in the kitchen. Guys, I be a badness, the party I go bad. Guys, I'm gonna put some lentil peas in my seasoned rice too. Guys, I be a badness, just watch the video and watch what I want. Guys, I be a badness in the kitchen. Remember me too. Watch what I want in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I go on and I put over here so yeah. Guys, I be about this. So I'm gonna do, I put in my pumpkin, carrot and my Irish. Guys, I wanna sell off. Remember that. Guys, now we put in the ground season, the pepper and the ray. You don't know about this guys. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, make this one cook. I blend up the coconut. You don't know about this and coconut juice I go in this, you understand now the yeah. So now I make this one brown a little. Sketchy color, you understand now the guys I be about this. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna finish cut up my coconut and blend it and I'm gonna see what I want in the kitchen. Be a badness guys. Yeah guys, so finish cut up the coconut. So I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blend up my coconut and I'm gonna see what I want in the kitchen. Guys, I be a badness in the kitchen guys, I don't lie if you tell you. I want to watch that video until it's done. And so one hour I put in my pot, you understand me how did. Yeah. So guys, watch what I want in the kitchen. I'm gonna blend up my coconut. So I want stir up my pot guys, it smells good. Now like it tell you. Pumpkin, carrot and Irish dough. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna blend up the coconut now, I'm gonna see what I want. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna blend up the coconut now. I'm gonna see what I want. Be about this guys, be about this. Yeah guys, so finish blending up the coconut, I go strain him off. I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen, you understand me I did? Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna look in the pot and see what I go on. Yeah, ready for coconut juice. You understand me I did? Ready for coconut guys, be about this. So I'm gonna strain off the coconut juice now and throw it in the pot. You understand me, Ali? Yeah, so guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in the coconut now. Make them see what I want. Guys, be about this in the kitchen, you know. Believe that, be about this. The coconut milk. Yeah guys, so what am I gonna do now? Meantime, the coconut milk is going to boil. I'm gonna make some coleslaw. You understand me, Ali? Yeah. I'm gonna make some coleslaw guys, so stay tuned and watch how I go on in the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah guys, so see the cabbage. Yeah, I'm gonna make some coleslaw and the carrot. Guys, watch how I go on in the kitchen and be about this. Guys, watch how I go on in the basin. Yeah, so I'm gonna grate out the carrot now. Yeah guys, be about this in our kitchen. Guys, that's how I go on in our basin. So this is the coleslaw guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some mayonnaise and I'm gonna see what I want. You understand me? I'll eat soon come back. Yeah guys, so the mayonnaise. Be about this guys. Be about this. guys, me base some boss. Go buy a base. Yeah guys, so I'm a coast ladder. Watch what I want. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do you know, I'm gonna wash my rice and put in a pot. So I go on over here, so yeah. I go wash my rice, put in a pot now guys. Guys, be a badness. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so put in the rice. Guys, be a badness in a pot, me not like it, you know. So I'm gonna let this make it go and cook. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I have a mixed vegetable and a sweet corn. And I'm gonna train a pot right now. I understand me, I'm gonna get a bag, cover my rice and make it go and steam. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen, be a badness. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, mixed vegetable and sweet corn. Yeah, I'm gonna throw them in my pot now. I understand me not like it, you know. Guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. I'm gonna season rice. Yeah, season rice with coleslaw. Guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna bust it in. I understand now the guys, that one I go bad. Remember that. That one I go bad. Leave that guys. Be a badness guys, be a badness. So I'm gonna put in the sweet corn first. You understand now the there. Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen and be your badness, you know. Mixed vegetable guys. So guys, when I just stir him up now, you over, yeah. And I go put a bag over it, make it go and steam. Guys, I put a bag. The coconut juice, yo, remember me tell her. Sell out. Guys, I go get my bag now. Wash my bag. cover my rice. You understand me, all these guys? Stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah guys, so I gone and the rice gone steam. You understand me, all these? So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look on the Caesar rice, guys. Yeah, some bad Caesar rice. And you have to watch the video. Watch the video if you see the ingredients and put inside of it. Guys, I'll be about this. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Dear viewers and subscribers, Thursday evening to show you these people are some shag up people. Real shag up people. Thursday evening, I watch a big man on TV and some people from St. Lucia. You know what them do? I flush him. Mr. Andrew Holness, me tell you already. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. These people don't like foreigners. Stay in your lane. I never see human being get flushed in a toilet. Mr. Andrew Holness. Stay in your lane. They respect you. Yes, sir. Nobody mix with them. The people take care of them for the same things. Stay in your lane. They don't rate we. They don't go show good in front of you and behind you. Remember me tell you that. Me ask you what you, if you remember Marcus Garvey, boss. Stay in your lane. You hear me tell you, sir? That me I'll tell you. Guys, watch what go on over here, so. We can go and steam out. You understand me? I did be about this, guys. Me not lie to tell you, yo, that Caesar rice I go bad. Believe that. We can go and steam. When it's done, we'll still finishing look, guys. So soon come back, guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah. Guys, I make my rice go on steam. Yeah. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness in our kitchen. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Me not like to tell you. What can come after now? Rice cook, everything over. Yeah. Be a badness, guys. People, share with some food and they can sew our gone. Be a badness.